Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for April 2024 para sa mga in a relationship at mga single. So this is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And also, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount hanggang March 20, 2024. So, you can book for a reading. Meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano makapag-book. Okay, unahin muna natin yung mga in a relationship na Cancer. In a relationship, tingnan natin what's coming sa mga Cancer pagdating sa kanilang love life. Okay, in a relationship. Maaring meron kayong inayos na relationship. You are healing from any issues ninyong dalawa. You are focusing more on rebuilding your relationship. Gusto nyong mas maging strong ang inyong connections. So maaring nagkaroon kayo ng malalim na pag-uusap ng person na to. Kumbaga nagsabihan kayo ng inyong mga expectations sa isa't isa. You may be dealing with a person na young, youthful yung energy, and the other person is mas mature. Pwedeng by age or yung kanyang pananaw sa buhay. There's so much passion in your relationship, no? Ayan, no? You have a very strong chemistry together. Kaya lang meron pa ring blockages dito. Pwedeng pareho kayo mataas ang pride ng person that you're dealing with. Kaya isa yan sa nagiging problema sa connection ninyo. Let's see what else. Pwedeng Capricorn ang inyong person. O, diba? Complicated situation. First house. Meron kasi ritong mataas ang tingin niya sa kanyang sarili. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. So, nasa sa'yo yun kung tatanggapin mo yung person mo for who your person is. Okay, for who they are. Kasi gano'n naman yung love, diba? Tatanggapin mo. But, not to the point na masisira ka, diba? Oo. Siyempre, kailangan rin balance. Meron ditong destiny. So, I think pinag-uisipan nyo na rin or pinag-uusapan nyo na rin kung saan papunta yung relationship nyo in the future. Kahit kayo ay kasal na or kayo ay engaged or ano pa lang, nasa early stages ng relationship, napag-uusapan nyo na yung future together. So, let's see yung inyong overall energy. What is the overall energy of this relationship? Four of Cups. Meron ditong hindi pa kontento sa connection. Hindi nagsasabi. Parang sinasarili lang niya. Siya lang yung nakakaalam na meron siyang hinahanap sa other person. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Pwedeng Pisces yung person mo. Or merong signs. Pwedeng ikaw rin to. Let's see your challenge. The Empress. Okay. I feel like itong relationship ng connection nito, ang isa sa nagbabond sa inyong dalawa ay yung inyong sexual connection. I feel like you are very compatible sexually. O rated SPG. Yung tipong nabibigay nyo yung needs ng bawat isa. in bed, when you are doing intimate stuff. Kaya lang, no, however, may mga times na parang doon na lang umiikot yung relationship ninyo. And hindi lang kasi ganun sa relationship. It's not just about having sex, It's also about the companionship, your connection, and a soul level. So, pwedeng may nakukulangan sa inyo. Let's see yung energy ng person mo. Two of Wands, Three of Wands. Your person is so aggressive. Yung parang siya yung tipong pwedeng fire sign ito, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Very passionate siya sa buhay niya, sa relationship ninyo. But ito yung tipong laging gala, laging napunta kung saan-saan. What is your energy? Page of Pentacles. So, ikaw yung mas grounded. I feel like ikaw yung mas may gusto ng emotional connection eh. Yung person mo more on sa passionate side, So, pwede kasi yung mag-work for you or against you. Yung tipong, i-compliment niyo yung bawat isa. Pagdating sa emotions, very supportive ka sa kanya. Siya naman, pagdating sa sexual needs, kayang-kaya niyang ibigay sa'yo. Kaya lang, may kulang. Parang ganun na sa sense ko sa inyo. So, where is this relationship going? Oh, no. Alam nyo, darating dun sa point na marirealize nyo, maaring ikaw, marirealize mo na hindi lang about passion ang isang relasyon. It's also about a deep connection. With the Seven of Swords, the Tower, Queen of Swords, definitely something merong challenging situation sa relationship ninyo na may kinalaman sa trust issues, pwedeng lying, cheating, and then someone will cut connections sa person na to. Pwedeng ikaw to, you will be cutting connections sa person na to because hindi siya faithful. I see someone na hindi faithful sa relationship. So, of course, it's still up to you, no? If you are resonating with this relationship, with this reading. So, let's see naman ang mga single dyan. Mga single na Cancer. Mga single. Okay, let's see energies for the singles Cancer ngayong April 2024 sa kanilang love life. Meron bang parating? So, mag-ingat sa mga umaalig-aligid sa inyo na nakikipag-usap sa inyo na maaring nakikipagharot-harutan lang. Kasi pwedeng involved to sa iba. Travel. Okay. Possible na you will feel a certain connection with someone na parang in a soul level. Kaya lang, be careful kasi baka itong person na to ay meron ng commitment, 'di ba? Oo. Pwedeng itong person na to kasi is maganda ang kanyang estado sa buhay. Career-oriented. Baka mapunta ka sa isang relationship na maaring hindi lang ikaw yung person na involved dun sa tao na yon, pero hindi ka na makawala kasi andun na yung needs mo dun sa person na yon. Cancer energy. But I think eventually you will realize what is best for you. Darating dun sa point na kung maghahanap ka hanapin mo tong taong to kung kaya niyang ibigay yung dinedeserve mo. Magkakaroon ka ng ng realization of what you really need in a relationship, at kung hindi niya yun kayang ibigay, eventually you will let go of this person. Kasi darating yung point na hindi ka makukontento sa kaya niyang ibigay. And it seems na you will be letting go of this connection kahit na it hurts. Kahit na masaktan ka kasi feeling mo hindi mo deserve yung ganong klaseng situation. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!